Check this out, everybody. This is an emergency update for the stock market and Bitcoin. The VIX is spiking over 20 right now, and the markets in Bitcoin are on the edge. You don't want to miss this one. Let's go.
Hey, I'm Scott, and I've been a pro trader for 10 years. In these videos, I'm going to teach you everything I've learned so you don't have to learn the hard way. Remember to follow and share the channel, and also have your alerts on because I'm going to give you a lot of updates and you want to be the first to know.
Taking a look at traditional markets, this is the S&P 500 futures, and it's on the edge right now. Now, I know I sound like a broken record, but you don't want to see ES break below 6,600. All right, this is a major high time frame where we need major caution on a break below. Why? Well, back here, I said this was going to be a major rally point from 4,800, okay? That was a snapback rally. We basically rallied all the way up here into the sell zone. Now we've been up here for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 weeks in the sell zone where you can take profits on all your favorite stocks, all right? Because a lot of those are in distribution right now. Now, once they finish selling, basically we're going to revisit these lower levels, all right? Now they might keep it up here. The market makers might keep it in the sell zone a little bit longer, all right? As long as we're above 6,600. But if we break that, we're likely going to come down and test 6180, right around the 50 moving average, which is green here, okay, on the chart. Now, basically, the worst case scenario is we come down and we actually revisit 4826 on the high time frame. Now, I don't necessarily anticipate that, but if you look at a Fibonacci retrace from the low to the high, that would actually be the golden pocket down here at about 5,500 for the S&P. All right, so that means most stocks are actually going to sell off on a move like that. Pay attention here. This is a major level. All right.
Stay ahead of the game with real-time trade alerts. Hit subscribe and turn the notifications on so you're always the first to know about the latest stock and crypto moves. Your financial freedom is just one click away. Let's crush those gains together.
The other thing we need to be aware of is Bitcoin. Okay, let's switch over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin actually is at a major golden pocket support. The golden pocket is a Fibonacci retrace level, and it's critical to hold here. It's right here at about 88.8. I think I said that in my previous video. 88.8. Easy numbers to remember. 8s are good, okay? Now, that said, in my previous video, I mentioned we needed to hold above 98.3. Bitcoin did not hold above 98.3, and we actually broke under. So it's critical for Bitcoin to bounce here, and it needs to get back above 98.3, and more importantly, it needs to close above this green moving average, which is the 50 moving average. So on a weekly closing basis, we want to see Bitcoin above 98.3 and above the 50 moving average green, all right? Now, I'm expecting a bounce here. We're getting a bounce so far, which is good. We absolutely need to see SRSI cross back up. That's momentum. And we really need RSI to get back above 44, okay? It's below 44. That's not good. So, Bitcoin's at a critical level here. I'm expecting a bounce. And ideally, we come back and we test 98.3, 103.3, and 107 in the near future. If we happen to break down, I'm going to show you the next level of support, all right, using Fibonacci. So we're going to go from this low back in April to the all-time high, okay? And the next level of support down, if we don't hold, is 83.3. That's the 786, okay? I'm kind of expecting this to hold, quite frankly, and a move back up. So let's take a look at a standard move back up just so you can have your targets ready. All right, so if we go from the high to the low here, your standard target is going to be about 112.1 to 112.5, all right, on a standard bounce. But let's take it level to level. Remember, this is not financial advice. However, it is time to pay attention on your portfolio because Bitcoin really does need to rally from here, and your traditional markets need to hold the line in the sand at 6,600, all right? Now, don't miss the upcoming videos. I can't wait to see you soon.
Are you still late to every pump? Make sure you follow Crypto Bro Alerts on X and check out the free email list inside the FFA. Link in the description.